So apparently there's some sort of mosquito epidemic going around. I personally have not been bit. I think mosquitoes are racist. I haven't been bit once. My wife comes out here for 5 minutes, covered in mosquitoes. It's mosquito bites, rather. But I've heard good things about this stuff. I got some buckets around the perimeter. I'm not trying to get into this, West Nile virus. Let's see how it goes. Lowe's buckets. Don't sleep on Lowe's buckets. They even have all these measurements on here. So I'm just gonna fill it up to the correct measurement. Look at the measurements on the Sam's bucket. Way better than Lowe's buckets. I think I said Lowe's earlier. I meant Sam's. Start buying these in bulk. I could always use a good bucket. Based on the directions, I can measure it out. Realistically, you just add a bunch of water, then break up these dunks and put them in there. Alright, doesn't seem to be too scientific. You just gotta break off a piece, put it in water. I have about 3 of these buckets all around the perimeter. Apparently you could put these, this is even safe in gardening, in the pond. And what happens is the mosquito larvae get in this water and they die. Allegedly. So it doesn't necessarily kill the adults, but the kids. I think these fish and whatnot eat anything that lands in here, so I'm not too worried about it. As soon as anything lands, look, throw some food out here. They're immediately over it. Greedy. But allegedly I can put it in here and everything's gonna be safe. I don't know if I trust things like that. I definitely don't want it in my food, but if I just have standing water sitting around, it should work. And of course everybody's shy right now. Normally they'll be all over everything. I think I'm good though. Let's see how this goes. Let's grow.